back here through Carpenter, and Umberger going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
Joe Laws, Caden Presnell, Bruce Denman, William Ewing. That's your top 4 starters coming around right here. Here we go. Green flag in there. We're racing. Good start for the 148 of Caden Presnell. He'll take the lead into turn number 1. The 51 of William Ewing gets up into the wall. Trouble in turn number 2. The front bumper gets taken off with the 195 of Jacob Wright. Coming around a complete lap number 2, giving to Caden Presnell. Joe Laws battles for the second, third spot, or third, fourth spot with Bruce Denman, William Ewing. Everybody has got a car off the pace in turn 4, Jeffrey Erb. Problems on the 777 of Jeffrey Erb. We're going to get that front bumper pulled off of the 95 of Jacob Bright. That final transfer spot. Here we go. We're 3 laps into this 15-lap B main number 1. Caden Presnell has control of the field, and he gets on the gas pedal. We're racing at the 74. Bruce Denman knocks Joe Laws out of the way. In trouble for the 74 car. He had a real bad restart, but we're 4 wide back there. Holy cow, we're wrecking the 4 car. Will Barger, the 74, is going to get turned back into the field, and the 295s will have nowhere to go, and calamity has struck B-main number 1. That all started on the restart when the 274s made contact coming out of 4 to take the green flag, and it has ended on out in turn number 3 with the 295s wrecked and the 74 of Joe Laws turned around backwards. Transfer to the A main, 3rd through 7 transfers to the non-qualifier event. Starting on the pole is going to be the G1 of Jerry Gibson Jr. out of Crittenden, Kentucky. Anderson looks like they're, just the G1 of Jerry Gibson Jr. Looks like he's decided to start on the tail of this one. Looks like he'll use a provisional. Green flag is in the air for the 516 of Chris Anderson. Trouble for the 55 car, Cameron Henson. He has trouble on the start. Cars are rolling in. Not able to get stopped. Trouble here on lap number 1 is the 55 of Henson. Was not under power as they took the green flag, and that caused a huge melee there in the bottom of turn number 1. (13S) of Chaz Smith. He's also looking for a provisional. He's hanging out in the back there. That's why you see all those cars hanging out in the back. They're all going to get provisionals. Here we go. Green flag back in the air. We're racing here. B main number 2. Chris Anderson with a good start off into turn number 1 as the 17 of Dustin Holt will get into the wall just a little bit right there. Give the 3rd spot to Arrington, the local guy trying to make his way into this main event. We're going to complete lap number 1 this time by. As the sun begins to go down, visibility starting to get low up in the tower. We got a car slow off of turn number 2. Creeping down the back straightaway. One of the 22 cars. See if we can't get him off the speedway. Instead, green is the 17H of Holt. Gets up in the wall in turn 1. We're going to have a caution. Caution flag is going to fly here on lap number 2 of this 15-lap B feature. Flat tire on the 22 car. Anderson. He's going to get on the gas pedal. We're green flag, race it again. Look at the 22 car. Arrington got a good restart. He's going to hop. Oh, trouble for the 17 of Justin Holt. He goes straight into turn number 1. It looked like the car didn't even turn. And that'll bring out our next caution flag. Here we go. The 516 of Anderson's going to bring us back around to the green flag. We've been out here quite a while. Maybe we can get some laps in and get the next 2 cars into the A main. We're green flag racing. Look at Arrington with another good start. The 22 of Arrington, a local guy, trying to race his way into the compact class. The 12 car of Hunter Stevens running 3rd. So they'll get a lap number 2 in on the board, and we're still racing. The top group is dominant here at the Beckley Motor Speedway. These guys will clean it up all the way to the guardrail before we are done here tonight. See the 115 car. So that's Rick Behringer. He's trying to make a move on Jason Porter. So that's for the 5th spot. Top 4 is nose to tail in the battle for the 5th spot. Behringer's trying to clear himself up. He'll take the 5th spot. Lap number 4. Look at Hunter Stevens, the G1 of Jerry Gibson Jr. will call it a B main. He'll roll on from his transfer or his provisional spot in the A main. That 12 car of Hunter Stevens trying to reel the 22 of Arrington in. Chris Anderson out front all by himself, got a lap car in front of him. That's the 21 of Applegate. He'll get around him with no issues. But look at the battle for the transfer spot. The 12 of Hunter Stevens looking to have a run down the back straightaway as they go around the 21 of Applegate. Once again, that's the lap traffic. The 964 of Harper, he'll pull it into the infield. Oh, we got 2 cars tangling up in turn 1. We got debris top of turn number 4. The front bumper come off one of those cars. That'll bring the caution flag back out. The 22 of Briar Arrington, the 12 of Hunter Stevens. Let's keep an eye on that second row. That's the battle for the final transfer spot. Green flag is back in the air. Good start for the 22 of Arrington as they roll off into turn number 1. Stevens will drive hard into it, make a little contact, but Arrington's able to get away. The 22 of Stevens tried to drive it hard in turn number 1, but it's not going to prevail. See if he can't get it back under him and pull the 22 of Arrington back in. Like trouble for the D10. He's slow off the pace of turn number 1. Hopefully he'll get it off the speedway. We'll be coming around to 2 laps to go next time by. Time is running out for the 12 car of Hunter Stevens if he's going to make it into the A main event here tonight. 2 laps in the air for the 516 of Chris Anderson. No threat to the lead here. A little threat to the second spot. Can the 12 car Hunter Stevens dig deep? Does he have anything to get up there with Arrington? Last lap, white flag in the air. Final lap of B main number 2. Oh, the 2 car Chad Weaver got in the wall, but he's able to continue. Here we go. Checker flag out. B feature number 2. Chris Anderson transfers to the A main. So does the 22 of Briar Arrington. 3rd through 7th will transfer to the non-qualifier. That'll be the 12 car of Hunter Stevens, the 2 car of Chad Weaver, the 115 of Rick Behringer, the 13 of Jason Porter, and the 77 of Tyler Gill. Those 5 cars will move on to the non-qualifiers.